What does it mean to be a Roxon ambassador? Does it mean that I got free tools? Yes, that's exactly what it means. It means that I filled in a thing on the website and said, hey, let me be an ambassador for you. I don't know what this means, but hey, maybe I can get a free tool out of it, which is exactly what happened. Does it mean that I have to say nice things? Not at all. In fact, I've been very impressed by the communications I've had with them. They say, just give us honest reviews, give us ideas, that's what you're looking for. Now, of course, it's advertising, right? You know, there's no hiding from that either. Each of these videos is basically making an advert. So, yeah, these things are always questionable. And I've said, you know what, I get some free tools, make some videos. I've been looking to make some videos. I made some during lockdown for COVID, and I loved it for my teaching. I'll be looking for an excuse to